Hello, welcome to the ClearPath OS 2200 Release 20 Technical Update session for the database agent, that is DB Agent Level 2.1. My name is Amitabh Srivastava and I am a Principal Engineer for the DB Agent product. We have added a new feature in DB Agent 2.1 to let you see the utilization of Relational Database Management System, that is RDMS, storage areas and manage thresholds for alert generation. The RDMS dashboard alert feature provides the following enhancement in the database section of Apex Web application. The feature provides information about storage area utilization. You can use this feature to specify the threshold limit for storage area utilization per table. The feature generates an alert notification when a particular storage area utilization crosses the user specific threshold. This feature works with Apex 4.2 version, which also is a part of ClearPath OS 2200 Release 20. Let's look at each of these in a little more detail. With the RDMS dashboard alert feature, the storage area page of the Apex web application provides additional information on how much of the storage area is utilized. The page navigation for the storage areas remains unchanged. You can view the information by selecting the UDS Object Explorer section under the Database tab and selecting the storage area of interest to view detailed information. The storage area utilization information is also available for a selected table. We have added a page usage column to the existing information for storage areas associated with the table to indicate the percentage of storage area being used. The table selection process remains the same. Along with the information on a storage area utilization for a selected table, this feature provides an editable field, a storage area threshold, to provide a user specified threshold value for alert generation. The default storage area threshold is 80%. You can update this by selecting the cell, modifying the default value, and hitting transmit. The value of the threshold is stored per table and is persistent across all the user sessions in a given Apex web server. If you create a new server instance for accessing the same OS 2200 system, the threshold values for the newly created server will be set to the default value of 80% and will not be carried forward from a different Apex web server instance. If you want to use multiple Apex web servers, you must set the table threshold values across different Apex web servers to have consistent alert generation for user defined threshold values. A success notification with the message table threshold updated will be visible upon successful update of the threshold value. The image on this slide shows the notification for a successful update to the table threshold value. Similarly, if the value does not get updated for any reason, an error notification will be displayed on the web page. The image on this slide shows the error notification for a failed update to the storage area threshold value. You can find the details of the error in the Apex server logs. This slide shows the alert notification as the storage area utilization of 5% is over the user specified threshold limit of 3%. The notification includes the details about the storage area, table, database schema under which it is defined, and the application group. The application will check the value of storage area utilization against the user defined threshold periodically with the time interval of 10 minutes if the web page remains idle. If you navigate within any of the Apex web pages, the threshold limit validation will be executed. This is also true if you refresh the web page. All the notifications associated with this feature can be deleted once they appear on the web page. Consider the following about the DB Agent 2.1 release. Compatibility. DB Agent 2.1 is compatible with Apex 4.2 release and is not compatible with earlier Apex releases. Also, if you use Apex 4.2 with an earlier DB Agent version, the application group will not be available for selection, as the necessary APIs will be missing in the earlier release. Apex Server Instances. The user specified storage area threshold value is stored on the Apex server locally, and hence it can vary if different Apex server instances are used for accessing the same OS 2200 system. Thank you for listening to this overview of the new DB Agent feature. I hope you have found this information useful.